Hey guys, well, I just wanted to show you one of my latest acquisitions. This is an EXL box fan by Hunter. Yes, I got another one. Only this one's got the, I guess you can call it the Venturi style guard. And this one has the light blue blades on it. Also, this one's a 3-speed model. The other one just has 2 speeds. This thing also has the box. Let me pick up the box and kind of show it off. Unfortunately, the seller just packed the fan in its own box, and trying to peel off the shipping details, I kind of stripped off some of the art, but not much of it. It's still mostly there. EXL. This is their high performance portable box fan. 3 speeds, Bahama blue cabinet, jet thrust safety grille, light blue 7-wing blade, convenient white strap handle, rotary switch center mounted, 5-year guarantee on motor and 1-year guarantee on fan. EXL fans, a product of Hunter Division, Robbins & Myers Incorporated. So, this tells you that this brand is a brand of Hunter. Well, Hunter, Robbins & Myers, so this is one of their cheaper brands, or budget brands. And there's the diagram on the box. As you can see, it shows the fan with the 7 wide blades. But as we know, a lot of times what's on the box is not what's in the package, as Esky Wolf would say it. And I set this down here. And as you can see, as we saw earlier, yeah, it's got a handle. Oh my gosh, it's got a handle. Oh my lord, it's got a handle. It's got a handle. Oh my gosh, it's got a handle. It's got a handle. However Esky does it. Anyway, I'll show you the fan at different angles. Yeah, this is what is known as the Bahama blue color. My other EXL is the same color on the cabinet. There's the other side. And on the back, it's got the same standard back grille. And the good old Hunter, Robbins & Myers motor. And we'll flip it back around and give an operation. I think this puts about just as much air as my other one. Maybe more. I think basically the airflow is just more focused because of that Venturi ring built into the front guard. I'm kind of thinking of swapping the blades around with this and my other EXL, because the blue blades, in my opinion, look better with the standard front guard, and the white ones look better with this. But even if I do, the change won't be permanent. I hope to find one with this color blade with the older standard guard, like the one Tory, the fan man, had that he parted out. And I may get one with this style guard under a different brand, whether Hunter or store brand. The blades on those would be automatically white. So let's give an operation. Here's high. And yeah, it really does throw out the breeze. I think, as I said, basically the airflow for this is probably more focused than on my other one with the standard front grille. There's medium. Yeah, the medium on this is probably what is low on my other one. Maybe a little faster. And here's low. Low on this is truly low. You can kind of hear a bit of that motor one if you listen closely. Back to high. And off. Spin down time's just a bit quick on this, but not too bad. And there you have it. The EXL high performance box fan with original box. Thank you for watching.